Samsung has just announced the next generation of its flagship Exynos SoC or system on chip, namely the Exynos 9820. This SoC is likely to power the upcoming flagship smartphones from Samsung, including the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S10, the 10 Plus and the Note 10, or whatever they might be called. As we have recently been seeing the 10 swapped with the Roman numeral X, it is likely possible. It is also possible that this SoC will power the next foldable smartphone from the company. The 9820 is the successor to the current generation flagship from Samsung, the Exynos 9810, that is currently powering the Galaxy S9, S9 Plus and the Note 9 devices. For context, the Exynos is the in-house SoC made by Samsung and acts as a direct competitor to the Qualcomm's flagship Snapdragon series. Although these in-house flagship chipsets are only available in the African and Asian markets of the Samsung Galaxy devices. Diving deeper in the newly launched Exynos 9820, the SoC is made up with an 8nm LPP FinFET manufacturing process in comparison to the 10nm used to make its predecessor 9810. The SoC comes with an octa-core CPU with 3 clusters this time, 2 of them being the 4th generation custom Mongoose CPUs, another 2 being standard Cortex A75s from ARM, and the rest 4 Cortex A55 for battery saving and less intensive tasks. Samsung claims that the 4th generation custom Mongoose cores provide 20% improvement in single core and 15% improvement in multi-core performance, along with 40% improvement in power efficiency. According to a recent leak in Geekbench, we see a massive improvement in single core and multi-core, although this is to be taken with a pinch of salt as this is nowhere confirmed. The new SoC comes with again the latest from ARM for the GPU, being the Mali G76, that offers up to 40% improvement in performance and 35% improvement in power saving. The SoC also finally comes with an integrated NPU or neural processing unit to handle machine learning and AI tasks. Talking about the connectivity, there is still no 5G connectivity here. Instead, the SoC comes with an LTE Advanced Pro modem that offers downlink speeds up to 2 gigabits per second with carrier aggregation and 316 megabits per second for the uplink. Samsung has added support for UFS 3, that is the Universal Flash Storage Standard, for this one as well. Last but not the least, Samsung has added support for decoding and encoding 4K videos at a whopping 150 FPS to the multi-format codec or MFC on the Exynos 9820. The MFC will also render colors in 10-bit depth, which means more accurate colors. The image signal processor or ISP of the Exynos 9820 will support up to 5 camera sensors, which means that rumors of 3 camera sensors on the back of the S10 and further flagship devices may be true after all, considering the company goes for a dual camera setup for the front. The SoC will also support decoding and encoding videos in 8K this time at 30 FPS, considering they get good sensors that can do that as well. The company announced that the 9820 is likely to enter mass production by the end of this year, and hence we would be seeing this debut on the next flagship Galaxy S device or devices. So that's it for this video, and we hope you liked it. A million thanks to our dear subscriber family for your continuous love and support, and until next time, stay tuned for more.